Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be assembling the Razor E100 Black Label. This process applies to all your Razor electric scooters with a hub motor. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 5 minutes from start to finish. The only tool you'll need is the included 5mm Allen wrench. This process can be completed in 3 easy steps. Step 1, plug in the connectors. Step 2, attach the handlebar. And step 3, tighten down the handlebar. It's possible your throttle is already connected. In that case, skip to step 2. Otherwise, proceed with step 1. Now let's get started on step 1, plugging in the connector. First, let's remove the rubber grommet which secures the wire. Otherwise, you can't place on your handlebar. Simply slide the grommet straight up and throw it away. Our scooter only has one connector, while yours may have 2 and they may look different. But don't worry, there's only one way to plug them in. Now plug in your connector. And that concludes step 1, plugging in the connector. Now on to step 2, attaching the handlebar. Lift your handlebar straight up and slide it down over the threads without attempting to screw it on. Ensure it goes all the way down to cover your threads completely. With it all the way down, line it up with your wheel. And that concludes step 2, attaching the handlebar. Now on to step 3, tightening down the handlebar. Using your provided 5mm Allen wrench, tighten down the 2 bolts on the side of the clamp. Make sure you alternate between the top bolt and the bottom bolt. Once tight, that concludes step 3 and the process of assembling your Razor hub motor electric scooter. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, but if you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to contact customer support at razor.com. Bye bye.